Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of any file specified for Isarcextract not found. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to right click on the application of the game or anything that is causing the issue. And then you're going to click on open file location. And here you're going to right click on the folder that is causing the issue. And you're going to, copy that specific folder. For example, this is the folder. You're going to copy that. You can simply, copy the folder, click on Control C. And after that, redirect yourself to the desktop, paste that down over here. And then you can rename this folder and then try reinstalling this application and the issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can simply go to any of the search engine and then you're going to type down DLL files and then press enter. So you're going to click on this one that is download and fix missing DLL files. And here you're going to search for the DLL file. In our case, it is Isarcextract, this one that is DLL. So simply click on that, and once you do so, you're going to scroll down, click on this one, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on download over here. So once your download process has begun, you're going to wait for it to get downloaded. So simply click on this one that is 32-bit, scroll down, and here you're going to verify that you're a human, and then simply click on start download. So wait for it to get downloaded. So once it's downloaded, you can head over to your download folder. So simply go to download, and then you're going to right click on it and you're going to extract all, and extract them in downloads. Simply click on extract, and after that you'll be able to see this is your DLL file. So you can simply copy this DLL file and head over to your PC, click on your disk, and here you're going to click on Windows, and here you're going to search for system32, and here you're going to paste the DLL file and reinstall your application, and your issue would be resolved. So after doing that, you'll be able to fix your error. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.